Tsawwassen. We are arriving at 4:27 so far. So we're gonna not too bad time to go. Woohoo! We're gonna have some fun and fun. Yeah, man. There's Vancouver. We're arriving in the dark. How you doing?
Really dark, green. Water I would put in.
Alright, time to put on a jacket.
Like if this boat were to like crash on an island, and this is who I had to deal with, I'd be like, yeah, seems like a cool crowd.
Yeah,
I have a lot of stories. I've had better crowds. You've had better crowds. I feel like this is bad. Like a low end.
Here we go, we're pulling into Tsawwassen. This is berth number 1
You can, it's gone.
for Tsawwassen.
Wait.
What hour is it? Looks like a leg bathroom.
Here we go.
It's not the fact that I lost the hat. It's how I lost the hat. It was tragic. Because you were trying to protect the Laura Coffee poster. You're so focused on that, you forgot to just do this. Yeah. And the wind took it. Thank goodness.
How you doing, Matt? How you doing, guys?
Great. Good.
That's good. Do you guys live in Vancouver or do you guys live in Victoria?
I live in Victoria.
Just coming over for the weekend, or what are you guys doing?
Pretty much, yeah.
Nice,
Spend the
nice.
day.
Going to his aunt's house.
Nice, nice. I'm a YouTube video guy. I did the boarding, the departing, and then active passing down this.
Oh, nice.
And then I'm gonna be posting it all back on YouTube when I get, if I can get Wi-Fi tonight, or I'll post it when I when I get Wi-Fi whenever I can.
Yeah, makes sense.
Like I've been looking pretty good.
Here we go.
Especially when outside smells like that. Here's the thing, even if we couldn't get there for 8 for some reason, we're only missing 45 minutes of race, so I'm not that concerned.
Yeah,
I'm only coming to see Swaylen, not even race.
Yeah, she does the course.
Just Swaylen.